Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Good Friday and I'm going to be making a special dish specifically for today, and that is Frigion. Frigion is a popular dish that is eaten on Good Friday. I'm not going to go into the history of Frigion because I've touched on that in my previous video, so click on that link you're seeing up and then you can learn more about Frigion. But before we go into today's recipe, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is that button you're seeing on your screen right now, and also on the bell sign so you get notified. So for Frigion, we're going to be making use of black-eyed peas or black beans, coconut milk, salt, sugar, cloves, cassava flakes for garnishing, and chili flakes. So the first thing you're going to be doing would be to pressure cook your beans. So you want to cook your beans. I'm using a pressure cooker to cut the cooking time. And once my cooking is all done and my beans is all cooked, I'm just going to be I'm going to put that aside, and then I'll try to grill my fish. So I've just cut my fish now and I'm just seasoning it with salt. So salt alone is fine with mackerel fish because it's a very tasty fish. So I'm just going to pop this in the oven and I'm going to grill it. While that is grilling, I'm going to be putting 2 cups of my cooked beans. I use black-eyed peas beans for this recipe, but if you have black beans, the better. So I'm using that, and then I'm going to be adding in my coconut milk, and I'm just going to blend this into a smooth consistency. So it's all blended now, and I'm going to try to get rid of those black spots because I use black eye beans, so that black eye I'm trying to get rid of it. So I'm going to sieve my blended mixture. So you can see what we've been able to get rid of with the sieving, and I'm just going to pour this back into my sieve and receive again to ensure a smooth consistency. So I'm all done with my sieving, and I've been able to get rid of all the black spots as much as I can. And I'm just going to pop this on my gas oven, and I'm going to be adding in my cloves, my blended grounded cloves. And if you don't have cloves, you can use equal parts of cinnamon and nutmeg, and you can also use cardamom. That's a good substitute for cloves. And I've just added salt also to this blended beans coconut mixture. Next, I'm going to be adding sugar, and yeah, it's a pudding, so you're going to make it sweet. It's a very sweet dish, and yeah, so the sugar is added, and you're going to allow this to cook and thicken up, and that is exactly what I'm doing. So my Frigion is all ready to be served, and you can see how thick this looks, and you can see the color has darkened, and that is what you're looking for. So I'm just gonna dish this because I'm so hungry. I need to dig into this. It's so delicious, and you know, hits the taste buds right. This is what the finished look looks like. You can see my grilled fish is conveniently sitting in the middle of my plate, and I just sprinkled a little bit of chili flakes on it to give it that wow effect. Thank you all so much. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. So This is something that is specifically for Good Friday, and I hope you guys try it out if you've not. And please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section, and also a thumbs up if you love this video. Thank you so much, and happy Easter. Bye. Bon appetit.